Here's how to enable or disable incognito mode on YouTube. So first, let's clarify what incognito mode does. When enabled, it's like you're not signed into YouTube and your searches and watch history won't be saved to your account, and your YouTube won't use your past activity to suggest videos, and normally your YouTube homepage is filled with recommendations based on what you've watched before. Incognito mode prevents this. So let's start by turning the incognito mode, and then we'll turn it off so that you can get personalized recommendation and save your watch or search history again. Click on the profile picture icon in the top right corner, and there you'll get the option to turn on incognito. Go ahead and select it. And if you're using the website version of YouTube, you can go ahead and select the three dots in the top right corner and then select new incognito window option, and the incognito mode will be enabled. Otherwise, you can also press Ctrl plus Shift and N on your keyboard, and this will also open the incognito mode on YouTube. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.